Hi, it's Katerina Eva here. I'm Stampin' Up independent demonstrator in UK, and I decided to just show you more my projects. I run the card studio or stationery design studio in Edinburgh, Scotland, and I not only make the card with Stampin' Up product, but I can say the Stampin' Up product make my work much easier, and I show you one of my premium design boxes I just finished, where I used a lot of Stampin' Up products which make my work really easy. So this is the beautiful custom made exploding box with 3D model of Eiffel Tower. So I specifically designed the walls to fit this beautiful dies. So it's have few layers. As you can see, this is the same kind of paper, but beautifully work together. This is the front side and bottom side of the same paper. Of course, I have my logo here, and here you can see the crumb cake Stampin' Up cardstock and also the crumb cake ribbon. I decide to use with my design, so it make my work much easier. So I will not ruin this beautiful bow but I will just slice it. Some people like to use the ribbon, some people just like to have a box like this to open. So I make the lid very simple. I use this beautiful Stampin' Up doilies and also the crumb cake circle. I use the layering circle dies from Stampin' Up, and here we start the magic. So you can see basically it's not Stampin' Up stuff, but if you just make the closer look, you can see some of the Stampin' Up project products which make this project really easy to make. First of all, you will see the crumb cake is here and also here, and this crumb cake ribbon. I also add this lace trim. This is very vanilla, and also I add this doilies here on the tags. So about the walls, this exploding box is designed specially for anniversary. First wedding anniversary called the paper. So I make this cute origami heart, and I was thinking that this will be symbol of this anniversary. So I just make the same, like you can say design, but one layer from DSP, because if I make something like this, it's impossible to make, even if from this super origami paper. So I just use it as a symbol here, and this is not this couple photos I make. I use the stock photos because, you know, everybody want to have some privacy, but I want to show you how it look like. Of course, in my final project it's better like a frame. You don't have like hard on the head or something like this. You have more space, but it's only the example, so you can see how the tags look like. But Now I will show you the real tags. This is the back side, and I prepared this tag specially to write something like personal message. So this is the real tag. I will not show you the photos, but they look the same. Okay, so we have this super cute packets here. We have some tags here, and on the tags you can see some symbols, I think, which I was thinking about the Paris. So locker, I know that people, for example couples, leave the locker in the Paris to come back there. They use their names on the locker, but I don't want to add anything more. So also the luggage, wine opener or for champagne opener if you celebrate something. On a last wall I just put the heart, which I punch with Stampin' Up! Heart punch. I love this one. I make a lot of projects with this. So about the sentiments, I make them very simple, so just I love you and you and me, because I think more personal wishes will go to the back side of every single tag. I hope you like it and you give it a try, and if you do, please give me thumbs up and like my channel. I have the Exploding Boxes and Stationery Design Studio in Edinburgh. I run classes, and also I'm an active Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. So if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask. And I hope to see you soon on my YouTube channel as well as on my Facebook page. And on the end, I wish my lovely customer happy 1st anniversary.